My major concern or problem is hiring and then training custom applicators to run these close to $500,000 machines.
For some employers in the agriculture industry, it's hard to find workers who know how to operate high-tech equipment. This is the Agribusiness Report. I'm Brandon Blue. It's a problem that may need the help of the industry as a whole. Agribusiness reporter David Geiger has more.
Donald Batterton, president of the retail fertilizer company Triag Incorporated, wants to take technology already available and repurpose it to train or test agricultural workers on ag equipment. At the Agribusiness Association of Iowa's showcase, he stands in front of a Caterpillar simulator and thinks this can be used for equipment like sprayers.
You can simulate the weather conditions and the environment and multiple types of environment, with a flat environment or rolling environment, and they can train whenever they're available for training.
Derek Kohlbaum, a student from Iowa Western, has a couple hundred hours running excavators and has operated other farm equipment.
If you want to just have somebody learn all the controls, unfolding the booms, I mean, all that could be done with one of these, and the auto steer, all the buttons, you could do it, but I don't know about going along a fence or a terrace. Like in the real world, it just takes experience.
And with farm equipment costing hundreds of thousands of dollars, it's hard to get just that.
It takes time to play with. The first time I ran one, I just jumped in. I was probably 10 years old and just jumped in it and started playing with it, and it takes time to learn what everything does. So I mean, if you let somebody play around on this for an hour or two until they get the hang of it, and then put them in a real machine, I think it would have some value.
I've never driven a medium-sized machine, so I wanted to try this and see how hard it is exactly. Oh, I just hit it. I broke it.
And it's a good thing I wasn't practicing on a real one. Batterton says the simulators can cost $35,000 to $60,000, and getting it started costs even more.
I'm excited about the project, and the industry really needs this. But we need to come together as an industry to make it happen, though.
For the Agribusiness Report, I'm David Geiger.
Yes, I got some.
Batterton says he's worked with some junior colleges to get applicator training, but the students don't get much hands-on training. He says the more funding they can raise up front, the less it'll cost to bring to market. And he's reaching out to businesses to help. Once they get funding, it'll take about 6 months to build the first prototype, and he expects a full year in total to get it into a classroom or a business. After that, the big challenge will be to make a multifunctional program that covers a complex piece of machinery like a sprayer, where you have to run the monitor, controls, and sprayer all at the same time.